Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the device and host. First, make sure your iPhone runs iOS 18 and has over 50% battery. This prevents interruptions. Once done, back up to iCloud or Finder and temporarily disable passcode and Face ID so installations won't be blocked. On your computer, download the Trollstore IPA, any required libraries, and the signing utility. Verify checksums to avoid corrupt files. Connect the phone with a certified cable, trust the host, and keep airplane mode on before you continue to signing. Now you perform the main installation steps. You'll use the signing tool on the host to sideload the Trollstore IPA, follow on-screen prompts, and accept the developer trust when prompted. Next, install any helper libraries and supporting IPAs in the exact order required. This ensures dependencies load correctly, so watch the tool logs for warnings. Once the packages are installed, run the persistence helper inside the app. Make sure Trollstore launches cleanly, because a successful launch indicates the core components are in place and ready for the finalization. Finish by enabling persistence and restoring your security settings. Re-enable passcode and Face ID, then test installing apps using Trollstore to confirm functionality. If an installation fails, check the console logs for certificate or dependency errors. Re-sign the IPA with the correct tool and reinstall helper libraries in the specified sequence. A reliable troubleshooting tip is to reboot the device, reconnect to the host, and rerun the signing process. Only restore your backup if you encounter instability that can't be resolved by reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.